Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Ghule. I am studying MSc Computer Science second year from Maulana Azad College, Aurangabad. My seminar topic is eye tracking in human computer and eye presentation by eye tracking in human computer content. Abstract introduction, history of eye tracking, working of eye tracking, research in eye tracking, issues in eye tracking as an input device, application, privacy, benefits of eye tracking, drawbacks of eye tracking, future trends in eye tracking, reference. Introductions. We introduce the reader to the basics of eye movement technologies and also presents key aspects of practical guidance to those who might be interested in using eye tracking in HCL research, whether in usability evaluation studies or for capturing people's eyes movement as an input mechanism to drive system interactions. Second, we examine various ways in which eye movements can be systematically measured to examine interface usability. His history of eye tracking. Many different methods have been used to track eye movements since the use of eye tracking technology was first pioneered in reading research over 100 years ago. Ranners and Polytech 1989. Electrooculographic techniques, for example, relied on electrodes mounted on the skin around the eye that could measure difference in electric potential so as to detect eye movements. This method provides quite innovative and most modern eye tracking systems now use video images of the eye to determine where a person is looking. Many distinguishing features of the eye can be used to infer point of regard, such as a corneal reflection known as the Purkinje images, the iris sclera boundary, and the apparent pupil shape. Its working of eye tracking in most commercial eye tracking system available today measure point of regard by the corneal reflections pupil center method. Godler, Winesky 2003. These kinds of trackers usually consist of a standard desktop computer with an infrared camera mounted benefit or next to a display monitor with image processing software to locate it and identify the features of the eye used for tracking. In operation, inference light from the features of the eye used for tracking. In operation, infrared light from an LED embedded in the infrared camera is first directed into the eye to create strong reflection in target eye features to make them erase to track. Research in eye tracking. What a person is looking at is assumed to indicate the thought one top of the stack of cognitive process. Just and Charpnet in 1976. This eye-mind hypothesis means that eye movement recordings can provide a dynamic track of where a person's attractions is being directed in reaction to a visually display measuring other aspects of eye movements such as a frictions moments when the eye are relative stationary. Tracking in the encoding information can also reveal the amount of processing being applied to object at the point of regard. In practice, the process of impressing useful information from eye movements recording involves the HCL research define area of interest or creating certain part of a display or interface under evaluation and analyzing the eye movements which fall within such areas. In this way, the visibility, manufacture less, and placement of specific interface elements can be objectively evaluated, and the resolution feedings can be used to improve the design of the interface. It's Goldberg and Cotwell in 1999. Application of eye tracking. Its type of applications. Commercial application. In recent years, the increased sophistication and assembly of eye tracking technologies have generated a great deal of interest in the commercial sector. Applications include web usability, advertising, sponsorship, packages, design, and automotive engineering. In general, commercial eye tracking studies function by presentation or target stimulus to a sample of consumer while an eye tracker is used to record the activity of the eye. It's really important. Benefits of eye tracking. Benefits eye tracking technology. It increases computing and resource efficiency. It helps to assess human conditions and behaviors. It helps to learn from experts delivering skills. It makes technology more intuitive. Drawbacks of eye tracking. The drawbacks are disadvantages of eye tracking. It expensive technology due to costly hardware requirements. It does not work with few users who wear contact lenses or have a long eyelashes. It requires some calibrations time before it gives satisfactory result. Hence, few users detect two time slips from using it. And its conclusion of eye tracking. Eye tracking studies in HCL are beginning to burgeon, and the technique seems set to become an established addition to the current battery of usability testing method employed by commercial and academic HCL researchers. This continuous growth in the use of the method in HCL studies looks likely to continue as the technology becomes increasingly more affordable, less invasive, and easy to use. The future seems rich for eye tracking and HCL. Thank you.